Hey, welcome to the Philippines. I'm John.
I'm Jan. I'm Leslie. I'm Hannah. I'm Luke. I'm Rena. Nettie.
We're about to go on an adventure, baby. Let's go. All right, adventurers. Welcome back to another adventure. All right, today we are going to get the backyard cleaned up. See, the bulldozer has to come in and get all this straight because we're kind of wonky here, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do is we're going to get all this cleaned up here so the bulldozer can come in and get all of that. On the other side of that as well, we might be doing something with the pantry, so that's still to be determined, or TBTD. So we are going to be able to get all this wood and stuff burned. We're just going to put it right here in the back and burn it before they get here. So we're prepping up for the bulldozer to come in, so we're able to do the leveling here, and then when we start putting our concrete, it's going to be a nice level ground here. We don't have to have this wonky stuff right there. But anyways, we'll give you an update, let you know what's going on. We'll talk to you then. Welcome back to your afternoon update. All right. So we were able to get all that cleared out over there. We still got the burn barrel, which we got 85 to 95% of the wood over here. It's all stuck underneath that pile of rocks, so we're not going to mess with it. And now, baby girl, the fire chief, Jen, is burning everything right here because, see, that's a good thing about having a big open space now, is that we can burn. That's a good thing, and she's burning the hell out of it right now. What do you think, baby girl? It's getting progression, huh? Yes. So we are burning the heck out of all that junk that was over there right now. We are getting rid of it little by little. And then we also did down here today, which if we want to go down there, we'll go down there in a bit. And we'll get that down over there. So let's go down there. Before we do that, let's take a look at what baby girl has done. Oh, yeah, boy. We got this roaring now, huh, baby girl? Yes. That thing is burning. Good job, baby girl. Yes. All that garbage over there is done. We've even, like I said, got some over there. We'll take a walk down there. We'll see what we got there. And, yeah, we'll be back with you. Oh yeah, there was a whole crap load of wood here. Remember, we ended up pushing it all over. A lot of trees that were there, and then that wood pile that was there. Yeah, they ended up just, when he was digging it out, he ended up just moving it, and moving it, and moving it, and moving it, and dumping it, and moving it. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, I remember that. We would have to chop our way through here over there. You remember that? Just to get back here in the corner there. Yeah, oh look, it's nice and over there now, baby girl. We got wide open space now. And so what the plan is actually, guys, is to put a staircase right here in the middle so we can walk up there and she can have all of her flowers up there. On the right hand side, she's going to put all of her vegetables there, and then on the right hand side, she's going to put her flowers, which is going to lead us right to the whole fruit garden where I'm going to plant most of the trees now. I mean, I know we have some fruit trees in the front, but yeah, it's nowhere near enough to what we're going to need. And so we're also thinking about digging in a ramp here so we can just go right from here with the bow, just coming right up, getting up right up and over there, going around the garden there in the back, so we can have access to all of that up there as well. But again, yep. So that's another video right there. But let's go down here. Baby girl is ready to let this one go for a couple minutes so that it burn, and we're gonna go down here and we're gonna see this fire over here. All right, let's get back. I had to stop and wash my hands here. They're a little dirty. But baby girl's over there getting all the weeds that were blown over or ripped out of the garden. And let's go take a look at what she's got going on over here. She got her second fire over here. And what we did there's two things here. Is that we had the internet. I don't know if you can see that wire right there, but that basically is our internet. Where is it? Right there. See, that's our internet right there. And biggest concern that we had was that all those trees up there, which were hanging pretty much right over that, were going to fall down and they were going to break the internet. So to avoid that, we ended up going up here and cutting a lot of these trees out. You can see the stumps of the trees that we cut up here, up here, up here, up there, up there, up there. And a couple more that were over here. We got these ones cut as well. We went up there and we cut these ones here. They were kind of tall and they were right next to the internet line there. I don't know if you can still see it, but yeah, it's right there. And so those trees were a big distraction and a big danger to the internet. So we got all those cut out and we brought them over here and we let them dry out for a day or so. And now we're able to actually start burning them because they're kind of like just weeds now, and weeds go fast when they're dry. And so we're burning all of that right now. We ended up collecting a lot of the wood that was like just hanging out over here and over there, and it's like that kind of general cleanup there. Most of the bamboo we have burning because, again, that's all black and molded, and that's good for nothing right now. And so, yeah, we're burning most of that. So, yeah, we're doing a pretty good job of cleaning up. And baby girl is the fire chief of heavens. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. And so she's burning all that right now, and we're getting it all done. All right, so this is our update here, guys. We are doing well, and things are going according to plan. And so we are J&J, and this is our adventure, baby. Bing, 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 bing.